Hello, today we're very excited to review Affinity software. We have Designer, Photo, and Publisher. These three new programs have been upgraded and they have a new universal license. It's only $99 until January 25th, 2023. Now it will also allow compatibility with iPad, so this is a good software. They claim they did a lot of research with the Photoshop format, so I'm gonna open a tattoo that I did on my back like last month. So the tattoo artist sent me the Photoshop file. So it does take a while when you open. Right now we are on Affinity Designer2, but we are going to close this file. We're going to open on Affinity Photo2. So here we are on Photo2. We're going to open the same PSD file. So again, it takes around 4 seconds to open these files. That's the only drawback that I found. But other than that, it's great. It's like 3 good programs, 1 good license. Finally, we're gonna open the same file with Publisher, and then we can see that all of them can open Photoshop files. So if you are thinking using different programs, or you're tired about paying subscription software your money like every single month, it's like software as a service, these might be a good alternative. It also has some nice new shortcuts here, so really good price. They are running this promotion. They have not endorsed me or pay me, but I think for the money it's great software that they release, and it's good for us that we have alternatives and not just like proprietary software that's based on subscription. So here we happy to review this software, and we're happy that there are alternatives in the market for Photoshop.